Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. FSEN airdrop listing date announced, FSEN letters update. So in this video we're going to look at FSEN letters update. So according to the team, yesterday they postponed the live stream session and they say it's going to hold today being May 26th, and today actually the live stream held, but nobody was able to join the live stream. I myself, I tried to join. It was just rotating. I wanted to pick one or two things, but it was just rotating. It didn't allow me in the live screen. And many other people, if you go to the comment section, many other people also complain of the link not joining them to the live stream and every other thing. They told someone here to refresh. This was exactly what it was showing. It keep rotating. I couldn't record a video then because I was busy. I just tried to pick one or two things and hear from the horse's mouth, but it happened that I wasn't allowed to join. And I think it was not only me, many people complained of not joining the live stream session according to them. So after that they came up with an important information. They say here, attention all users, Professor David Myler has officially announced the live stream. EFS is expected to officially launch on the AuvraX Exchange. I don't even know about this exchange. They have come again, no. And they say to help everyone trade and redeem EFS as soon as it becomes valuable. We recommend downloading and registering an AuvraX Exchange account in advance. Once EFS trading officially opens, you will be able to quickly complete EFS trading, exchange to USDT, withdraw to your personal information, and they provided the official link to download it. And this is it for the Play Store, and for the web you click on this one. And they said here, more information regarding the EFS launch, trading availability and unlocking details will officially announced gradually. Please stay tuned. So FSEN has now came up, so they want to use us to develop their exchange, because this is a new exchange, AuvraX. I've not heard about AuvraX Exchange. So they want FSEN community to help them build this particular exchange. The one we are helping them to build on all over the social media is not enough. They have introduced another exchange. What happened to the Bitget exchange that we use? Most of us that was able to withdraw one or two things from the app, it was Bitget exchange that we use. Some also use Web3 wallet. What happened to those exchanges? Why do they want us to go and download AuvraX Exchange and register an account with them? For me, I don't think it is a nice decision. But what do you think? For me, I will advise everyone to chill for now. Let's just chill and watch how everything unfolds. They say that in June they are going to trade EFS. So let's just calm down. They said June. They have not bring out the official date. Although June is very close, but we don't have any official date for that. So do not rush this particular update. So 2 hours ago, they said here, after downloading the AuvraX Exchange, we recommend registering your account in advance. You see, registering your account in advance, because they are not yet prepared. It's not about registering accounts. After registering account, they are not prepared. And mind is not about registering account. You are going to verify it, and you are going to use your information. For me now, I'm being skeptical using my identity to verify all this airdrop of it, and I'm being skeptical because anything can happen. You see, they said registering an account in advance. They are not yet ready. So do not rush this update. Like I just said, they are not ready. So that once EFS is officially listed, you can start trading and exchanging immediately. So do not rush this update. And they say you will directly register through the official link below. That is to tell you they know what they are doing. They are still insisting you register through the official link below. So as you are clicking on this link, I'm not saying otherwise, but let's be careful. All this link of a thing, using our identity to verify all this nonsense airdrop. Let's just be careful. Or enter the invitation code on the registration page. This is the invitation code. And after complete registration in advance, once EFS trading officially opens, you'll be able to quickly complete EFS trading, exchange to USDT, withdraw to your personal wallet, and kiniko. So they just want us to build this exchange for them. There is nothing tangible I can see from here. They just want to use us to build this exchange. So it is less for you to do your own personal research. If you want to do it, if you want to register immediately, you know some of us are always fast in everything. If you want to register immediately, go to their, I'm not going to share any link, go to their S account, search for FSEN, read it, follow the process and click on the link. Wherever the link redirects you, follow the prompt. So this comment section said, you see what this person said, uploading to ID keep failing. You need to put your ID. Uploading to ID keep failing. Now someone here said, good evening, please, should we do away with the old interface of FSEN? Let's see what they will reply. Even the so-called Professor David Myler has been involved in many scams for AuvraX involving resulting in people losing their assets. Facts never lie. A word is enough for the wise. Once you pay to AuvraX, while withdrawing, you will be asked to pay for a specific charges before withdrawing. You see, you will be asked to pay for a specific charges before you withdraw. And look at what this person, I'm also going to research this AuvraX, a new crypto scam. Stay away from Professor Myler, who also is the part of SM Plus for typical WhatsApp ping. Can you see? I'm also going to research it. I'm going to ask Grok and the rest what they will tell me. Now someone say, I guess FSEN was legit before, but over the year the legit owner has sold it to the scammer when they couldn't manage it. So another person say, uploading of ID card in AuvraX Exchange not uploaded. Another person say, but the listing date precisely isn't announced. Exactly. Oh, they just say in June. Okay, this one said, AuvraX Exchange, you only register but can't log in. You see, these people get brain. They just lure community to another way. Someone said, they say that good crypto coins are better if they are listed on Binance, MERS or Bitget, just like what I said. So I did not read the comment section when I said do not rush these updates. Look at what people are saying. So let's just be wise. If they really want to reward the masses for their time and their data, they should list on known exchange. We have many exchanges that are well known. At least it's better we are interacting with the exchanges that we are so conversant with than interacting with a new exchanges which doesn't even have a link. Like if you can't just go straight to the Play Store and download this AuvraX. You must go through their link. So let's just be wise. For me, do not rush this update. Do not rush it to avoid hard I know. So that is it for this video. So thank you guys. See you guys in my next video.